Tonight I'm going to be making a Southwestern chicken skillet for supper, and I have doubled all the recipes like I usually have to do to feed my family. So if you just want to make like the regular recipe, just half everything that I'm doing, okay? I've got 2 cups of long grain white rice that I have washed. I'm going to be putting that in here. I've got 2 cups of salsa. I got 3.5 cups of chicken broth. Hope everybody's doing okay. We've got tornado watches out here till I think 11 tonight. So keeping an eye on the weather. Chili powder. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons. I've got 4 cups of rotisserie chicken that I had frozen, so I pulled that out, and you're going to shred you up, cut up about 4 cups of that. That's going to go in. Now, I have got 2 cups of black beans drained. They are 15.25 ounce cans. I've got the no salt ones from Kroger, so that's what I'm using. That's gonna go in. Stir all this up. People were asking about this skillet. This is a fig mint skillet from Walmart that I've had for a while. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we are going to put a tight fitting lid on our pan. We want to bring this to a boil. Let it come to a full boil, and when it does, we are going to lower the temperature and simmer for 15 minutes with the lid on. So as soon as this comes to a boil, then I'll lower it to simmer with it still covered for 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat off now. I'm going to take the lid off. And I'm going to let it rest for 15 more minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, I told y'all wrong. When I turned the heat off and I said let it rest for 15 minutes with the lid off, the lid's got to stay on it for those 15 minutes. So I told you wrong. Sorry. But I'm correcting it now, and that's what's important. So please leave the lid on after you turn the fire off, and let it just rest for 15 minutes. Well, I'm going to see if this cheese is melted, y'all. It has. And now you're going to take you some green onions. This is optional. You don't have to do this. But you can sprinkle you some green onions on top. Aldi had gotten some green onions in, and we picked up some because I figured I was going to use them for something. And there you have it. Southwest chicken skillet dinner. Now I wait for Sweet Eric to get in and let him taste test this for y'all. And I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, my sweet Eric just got in from work and he's getting ready to dig into this, so let's see how it is.
Well, if it tastes as good as it smells, and it smells good. I like that. That's good.
Good. I'm glad you're enjoying it, hun. Hope y'all had a blessed day. Remember, it's going to be okay. And I love y'all.